When I first got to high school, the first team that I joined was the varsity football team. I proceeded as a member of the team for my freshman and sophomore years, and then junior year came around and I found myself with a little bit less time. Coach Day came to me knowing that I'm a very mechanical person and asked if I would like to fly a drone to film for the team. It provides such great insight and a different view of the field that without the drone, they wouldn't be able to develop as much. So having somebody who is trained in using the drone is crucial for their improvement. Here at Dexter Southfield, I am co-president of the Observatory Docent program. We have a supercomputer that controls the whole telescope and the dome, and we welcome in visitors from our school who can come and see all of the wonders of the world. So we need to hang 2 of them on stage right and 3 of them on stage left. I'm very involved with the play production here at Dexter Southfield. This year I am stage manager for our musical Alice by Heart. One of the things that I have to do is build the sets. As you can see, we have all the brick walls. Those are actually pieces of foam with brick stickers on them. And you see all the posters and the boxes and the tables, and we had to build all of these things. I control the stage crew and along with my co-manager, manage all the props and get the sets ready. Hi Maddie, hi Liana. Hi Mark. Hi Thomas. Dexter Southfield is such a welcoming campus. No matter where you go, you'll always find somebody with a smile on their face looking to make new friends. And that is very true and has stayed true throughout all my years here at Dexter Southfield.